Aria. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give us a huge thumbs up. And we're going to be walking the purple fashion today. So I'm going to be starting off with some blush. Here it is. I think I will do this purple right here. Let's open it. And I'm really happy for all of the likes and subscribers and the thumbs up. So thank you. So let me get the blush. I'm going to be doing with this little blush. Let me show you guys. Here it is. So here again, here's the colors. Now the other side. And I also will be making makeup tutorials at my nana's. She's getting a little makeup tutorial, a little makeup room for us. Okay. And now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow. So let me get the blush and show you guys the blush. Here's gonna be doing the blush, and here's my eyeshadow. I'll be doing this purple right here. We're done with this side. Now this side. Mom! I need a napkin! Hold on, guys. My mom's getting me a napkin real quick.
Here's the wipey.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, there we go. Let me put some under my eye. So put that to the side. So I'm all done with my blush. I mean, not with my blush, I mean with my eyeshadow. So now I will put on some lip gloss. I will do this purple one. Let me show you guys it. Here it is. So I'm going to okay, so me and my mom are going to be playing, so I'm just getting my makeup done for I'm gonna play salon and stuff. And bye guys, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications and give us a huge thumbs up. So bye guys.